Hello, welcome back to another live stream, guys. I just realized my setup my setup is looking so weird for some reason. But yeah, here we go. Still living in the same place. Still couldn't find an apartment. Berlin grind, let's go, guys. How's it going, everybody? Welcome to another live stream. In this one we are doing we're not doing special. We never do special things here, man. Like we occasionally move countries and do like push-ups and dips, but then that's just the usual for us. Hello, guys. Hello, Eric. Hello, and happy birthday again. Thank you. Appreciate the good wishes about me getting older. Couldn't feel better, man. Couldn't feel better. Like, so good, like away from friends and family and everyone, and still feeling alive, thanks to you and thanks to everybody who has like reached out to me and said good wishes. How young are you now, brother? How old do you think I am? Welcome, Various. How's it going? We got a special drink here today. It's actually a German typical drink. Club Mate, everyone. Not sponsored. I just wish. We just keep wishing, but not sponsored, sadly. I'm drinking zero, of course. Happy birthday. Thank you. NRHM. Appreciate the good wishes again. It feels good, man. Like, it feels good to be 40 years old. Know what I'm saying? Like, a lot of years spent in programming, a lot of years spent in gym, and a lot of years spent in writing Rust and just browsing the rat market. You know what I'm saying? So we just chilling, man. We're just chilling. But yeah, I'm 40 this year. Feels good to be 40 years old, man. Cheers to y'all, man. Cheers. This is the best birthday. This is the best that I can do, guys. Okay. I mean, what are you gonna do? Like, I went to the, like, okay, let me tell you what happened today. I went to the office. I worked. And that's it. And also worked out, you know, like never skip your workouts, guys. Like, it's important. Whenever you feel down, whenever you feel like shit, you gotta just hit the gym, man. That's the fucking key. And if you don't, then you're gonna feel more shit. Don't ever forget that. Let me actually get my birthday cake, because I have a birthday cake. Let's get it. Give me a sec. Actually, guys, you wanna see my birthday cake? That's the best that I can do, brother. Like, that's the best. It's okay, let me get a nice thumbnail. This is so good. Okay, let's get a nice thumbnail, guys. Birthday cake, but it doesn't show in the fuck. Okay, that's good. Club Mate. Okay, that's good. So we got the birthday cake. Doesn't have candles or anything, but it is what it is, guys. Happy 40 years. Happy 40 years of Ratatouille. It's incredibly compact cake. You know, I mean, we as Rust developers, we are efficient, and this is efficiency, all right? This is efficiency right here. So cheers to you guys, and Hell yeah. That sized cake for our bulk, man. This shit's good, man. It's actually... It's a banger, man. It's a banger, not gonna lie. Anyways, enough eating. This is not a mukbang, okay? This is not a mukbang screen. This is not a mukbang stream. That's on my other channel. Follow the other one. Actually, how about I start a cooking channel, and then we're gonna only cook different kinds of ratatouille, and that's the whole concept. We don't cook anything else. So let's get to work, I guess. We have a bunch of stuff to do. So I still don't have my second monitor, so you just need to get used to this setup. Can you tell more about your job in Berlin? Is it Ratatouille related? It's good question. I have a blog post about that. Ratatouille kitchen. So it is basically representing Rust inside JetBrains, and also representing JetBrains at Rust ecosystem. So it's a developer advocacy, which means I'll be the middle layer between the actual developers in JetBrains and the developers outside, which are in this case Rust developers. And this role is basically about going to conferences, meeting new people, bringing more people into Rust, and also improving the Rust tooling inside JetBrains, which in this case Rust Rover, the IDE, which is what I'm using right here. And it's a pretty fun job, and although I have just started like 2 weeks ago, it's been going really great. I think we have already planned some cool stuff, and yeah, I will soon take ownership of the Rust Berlin meetups. So we have a meetup page if you are interested. I can send a link to here. So we will be doing a lot of cool stuff here every month. We're gonna come together. I will try to bring my friends to here. I will try to, you know, have some cool talks and workshops possibly, and then yeah, it's gonna be super fun. And yeah, we have a lot of stuff planned, so stay tuned. Thoughts on the Pixar film Love, Ratatouille and IntelliJ? Man, the Pixar film Ratatouille, it's a banger, man. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's really good. Like, I have this tendency to get really emotional on some animation movies, or whatever those are called, animated movies, and Ratatouille was one of them. My favorite movie is still Wall-E though, like this robot that is like, you know, yeah, I'm not gonna give spoilers, just Wall-E is a great movie. That's my favorite movie of all time. Every time I watch it I get really emotional, man. But Ratatouille, second place, good shit. My job, I shill Rust. Good luck, man. Appreciate it. Thank you. So, guys, as you can see, we have a bunch of stuff to do. Also, I've just decided to like share my emails on streams now, because I don't give a I don't give a shit. But yeah, we have a lot of stuff to do. So yeah, Pixar films, man. Even Cars made me cry. I mean, brother, like I don't know how they like how they write those like storylines, but yeah, like I don't know, it's something. They are deep, man. They are deep, not gonna lie. Like they're for kids, but they're deep. So kind of like that. I don't really watch like it's been a long time since I watched Disney. What the fuck is Disney? Disney, and also not Disney, but Pixar. Sorry, my bad. Pixar, yeah. Sorry, my bad. Taking ownership of conferences seems to be the most Rust code I have heard. Taking that wasn't okay. That wasn't on purpose. That wasn't on purpose. I swear to God, that was on purpose. Happy for your job and for you actually enjoying it. Thank you, thank you. I mean, for real though, that wasn't on purpose. Like I just came out. No more borrow checks. CIA is watching. I don't know, guys. CIA is watching. Shout out to my homies at CIA. Guys, don't what is it called? Don't SWAT CIA the stream or anything. You know, I just moved here. Shout out to my homies at CIA. we have deep connections at this point, man. Oh, CIA makes you cry in Pixar movies, brother. Did you know that they actually glow in the dark? Anyway, we're not gonna get into that. So let's get to the work, guys. Let's get to work, okay? So we have some stuff going on. First of all, we have some dependency updates. Cell effect introduced in this doesn't implement send. This was already fixed. Okay, this was already fixed. So fixed in send. A lot of people actually report this, so I think we need to create a new release. At some point, like probably next week or tomorrow. I will try to put something up at some point. By the way, guys, let me know if there's anything wrong with the stream. Like if you think that the audio quality is bad or the camera is bad, but if you think that like you know the music is too loud or anything, just let me know. Birthday grind, absolutely. So this was fixed. Let's go to this one. Text area doesn't implement send with Ratatui. What? What are you talking about? Yeah, side effect. This needs a new release of Ratatui. It was already fixed in main branch. A lot of wrong with your stream. It's birthday and you are on. Oh man, I don't know. I just don't know. So I'm not sure if okay, how can I easily open a new project in Rustro or text area? Let's open new window, trust project, trust the project, attach, select it. Now your mic pretty good, maybe not the most crisp, that will be needed for uploads, but fine for streaming. Man, thanks for feedback. And also I want to say, when I have my apartment I will have a kick-ass setup, like a really good one. So just saying, just wait for the moment that I get my apartment, which might be next month or in 2 months or 3 months. I don't know, but we'll get there. So cargo tumble, maybe let's check that. So Ratatui, where is the Ratatui version? 0.30. Why is it commented out actually? It's kind of weird, isn't it? Are we using already core? Yeah. So latest is okay, it's probably fine. Codex bump Ratatouille dependencies. Oh, I'm on a release please branch. Also, I can probably ignore the idea directory here. Oh, I'm using okay, how can I actually edit that here? Is Rust Rover loving editing certain, like, oops, can I just edit stuff like singular file? I cannot even speak. Okay, the terminal experience is okay, there you go. Is a bit it could be improved, I think. Okay, so now we should have this. All right, guys, don't get me wrong, this is part of my job. this is literally so I'm trying to improve the Rust tooling, right? And this is a Rust tooling, like this is literally an IDE, so everything that I do here and every feedback that I can bring to the team is very valuable. So just let me know if you also use Rust Rover and if you think there's something that could be improved. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so I will try to create a new release of this, but in the meantime, let's take a look at what is going on. Okay, these are okay, everything is bumped. Cool. The benchmarks were stuck in 0.29. That's a bit old now. What do you want to run? Also, I want to use the AI features in here at some point, but now I think I will just stick to my terminal codex workflow. But I tried out the Juni and the other AI agent inside Rust Rover, and that was pretty good too. But for now, I think I'll stick to this. So yeah, in the meantime, if you have any questions or anything that you want to share or anything like that, just let me know. I can be distracted. By the way, Thunderbird helps with navigating mail threads really well. Yeah, but I don't know, man. Like, I don't want to use another desktop app just to check mail, to be honest. Like, I just have the Gmail on my browser and that's it. Like, I don't want to like depend on anything else. But yeah, I have Thunderbird. I use that for managing my Arch Linux emails. How of a learning experience was for you to make Ratatouille for embedded? It's so cool to make tuis like on OLEDs. Haven't tried it, but plan on so grinding Rust book. Nice. That sounds really good. You got some cool stuff to learn. So learning experience for Ratatouille embedded. I think I had so much fun, and I have used some resources for it. Mainly I use the ESP Rust book. So there's a separate book for ESP Rust book or something like that. By the way, I just realized my light is so weird right now, so I'll just have more lighting on my face. So yeah, there's this one. So I have mostly like used ESP32s, and recently I started using the RP board, like RP2040, this one. But there are really good resources out there, so yeah, I've started using this. So yeah, like the Ratatouille part, if you have ever like used Ratatouille, it is basically the same way that you render on the terminal, but you just have to set up the embedded device for it. So you set up the embedded device, you just have some peripherals and you connect to the display, which is usually provided to you with boilerplate, and then you basically go ahead and hook Ratatouille into it, and then it just works. So it's a good like way to get into it, like embedded as well, I think. So just give it a try. It's not that difficult. It's really fun. I really recommend it. Also, there are some tutorials on ThreadSafe. What was it? ESP book or something? Oh no, Rust. Yeah, this one. So there are some tutorials on here that mentions Ratatouille. I also recommend this one too, so I'll send a link here. So yeah, I still use Juni. I've decided I prefer the GUI over CLI, which may be offensive to say here. No, it's totally fine. It's totally fine. I mean, I need to try out Juni at some point. I see it's pretty handy for bad web UIs on custom domains. Hello, hello. It's my first time here. Mahesh Patidar 2298. Welcome to the live stream, man. How are you doing? My name is the Rat Chef. I cook terminal you. That was the worst introduction ever. I am Orhun and I work on Rust. Welcome to the live stream. You wanna say a couple of sentences about what your grind is? Hello, how you like your new job? It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I like it. It's a kick-ass gig, if I'm being honest. People there is like super nice, and yeah. Okay, so get new chore mom Ratatouille. Actually, let's be more specific here. Cargo tumble. Okay, so we have some never mind. Ratatouille to 0.30.1. Thank you for your resources with Rust on Embedded, of course. I've also started learning Rust recently. That's good. We have a lot of new Rusticians in the chat. Shout out to you guys. Rusticians of the future. Let's go. Have you heard anything about platform engineers turning to Rust? Not really, but I was a platform engineer and I turned to Rust, so I wouldn't be so surprised. What's going on? What's up with that? Curious now. So I don't know what happened, but this CI pipeline is now always stuck, and I have no idea. So if anyone if anyone knows what the hell is going on with PNPM, maybe let me know. What do you think? The CI is just always stuck now. So weird. Hey bro, well done. About what? What did I do? What did I do? Let's go, getting rusty and blazing fast. Hell yeah. You were... as well. Can you elaborate a little what you did and so forth? I was in a... what was it called? God damn, what was the name? What was the team called? I was in a... not cloud. Like okay, I remembered. I was in a platform team, and like it was a small team. Like we had 6 people maybe, and they were like using. So this is, first of all, it's a big company, and yeah, I did like small like part-time gig there, and it's a very well-known company as well, especially in Turkey. And I did like small like part-time. I had some adventures. So like we were basically managing all the infrastructure, like Kubernetes and stuff, and lots of YAML engineering too, right? And while I was doing that, I was also like, it was 2020 I think, or 2021 or something. So I was also like writing Rust, so I was trying to like bring some Rust tooling to their infrastructure. I was trying to like write some tools with Rust to manage the Kubernetes stuff and so on. But at some point I had to leave the company, and yeah, I had one tool, like one internal tool. I don't think they're still using it. It's been many years, but I had one internal tool in that team that I wrote with Rust, which is, I was really proud. Like it was one of like, it was one or there were like two like Rust toolings inside the company. So that was a pretty big thing for me. I was pretty proud of it. It was not doing much. Is what it is. You cooking ratatouille? Absolutely, we're cooking ratatouille, man. Ratatouille, man. Know what I'm saying? This angle is so weird. My microphone is too close to me. Happy birthday, sir. Thank you. Can you tell the company name, or is it NDA? It's JetBrains. Hello there. Hello. Welcome to the live stream. I might know you from somewhere. Guys, my girlfriend just joined the live stream, so keep it chill, alright? Thank you. Oh, not JetBrains. I was sorry, my bad. It was the platform engineering one. It was called a company called Trendyol. No, it's not protein bar, man. It's the protein bar, but it's actually a birthday cake. You see it? It's 20 grams of protein in a birthday cake. Let's get it. This is how we celebrate. I want to do a similar sorry, and let me just finish and read your question later. I don't know, maybe from high school. Probably. I probably know you from high school. Not gonna lie. So I want to do a similar internal tool for my developers. Unfortunately, there are not a lot of colleagues in my team that are proficient in Rust, so I doubt they would approve. Freaking maining bash script is what they are doing. For real, man. That was also one of my struggles as well. I was in this team where every internal tool that was either Go or Bash, and that was it. So it was a bit like it was a bit difficult to get Rust in. But what I did eventually was I was using my own library, and I convinced them by saying, hey, I am depending on my own library, and the code base is not gonna be so big. But that was just a way to convince them. Of course, the code base was big. It is what it is, man. You gotta do whatever you gotta do for bringing Rust to the company. This is how it works. This is how it works. Okay, we've just released the Ratatui text area. By the way, does anyone know anything about PNPM? Because we got the CI now always stuck, and I am not sure what the hell is going on. So I will send the link to the chat actually. If anyone wants to look into it, maybe if anyone is doing like some web development or anything like that, just take a look at it and let me know. By the way, let me just check my microphone. I'm not sure if I'm using the correct one. Probably. But anyways. So yeah, cool. Moving on. I think I'm gonna just pull this, and we can close this tab. Go back to our Ratatui repo. Yo, was geht, wie ist Deutschland? Deutschland ist sehr gut, mein Freund. Und ich bin hier für... Warte. 12, 13, 14. Nein. 14 Tage. I'm trying my best. Ich kann ein bisschen Deutsch sprechen und ich muss Deutsch lernen. Probieren. Du kennst mir, mein Freund, mein Bruder. I'm just trying, okay? I'm just trying. Don't judge my German, okay? My German skills. Aber Deutschland ist sehr schmeckt. I'm just making stuff up. Sehr schmeckt, mein Freund. Döner und Ayran ist wunderbar. Your German is decent. Nein. Doch. Digga, that's really good. Oh man. I really enjoy pronunciation of German words. Yeah. Just give me nur 2 Jahren und ich kann sehr gut Deutsch sprechen. I'm having so much fun here. Rust is underestimated as hell for writing internal tools. It's often a very good fit, and you often don't even have to touch the more complex topics of Rust when developing it. Because the problem is that there are a lot of people that don't have a lot of software engineering skill set, but more geared towards operations, which is of course important as well. You have to just convince them to get some Rust tooling inside, man. You gotta show them a slide deck or something, you know. In platform those teams, that is. You're Germany, okay? Not schmeckt. Bist du eine Fachkraft? I don't know what that is. I would gladly learn that word if you could give me a translation. I don't know what that is, but sounds interesting. Okay, somebody added this M2 to the Ratzilla websites list. Oh, are you a skilled worker? Okay. Ja, ich bin eine Fachkraft. Software-Ingenieur. Blaukarten. Ich komme aus Deutschland für Blaukarten. I don't know, like I'm just trying. I literally don't train German these days. It's just my past knowledge. How's my second favorite programming streaming? Brother, I don't even know how to what to feel at this point. Like you just okay, you're saying hi to me, and you're saying that I am one of your favorites, and you're saying I'm the second one. So until I read the second, I was feeling really great. But now I should ask, who's the first one? How can I beat them? But thank you. I'm doing fine. I'm all right. Thank you for asking. Modbus terminal user interface. Shit, that looks cool. I don't know what Modbus is though. Modbus, sorry, not Modbus. I switched to German pronunciations. My bad, guys. You know how it is. Like you start living in Germany and you just kind of mix things up. I'm just joking. Modbus. Okay. It's pretty good. Looks pretty good. And they have a browser demo as well. Wow. Now we're talking, guys. So, in case you're asking, this is rendered with Ratatui and as a WebAssembly service. And wow, dude, that looks really good. Holy shit. Okay, so I'm gonna send a link to chat actually, in case anyone is like, what the hell am I looking at? There you go. You're the first one I was asking how Primage is doing, in case you knew. So I think I will try to blow your mind by doing a live stream with him one day, and then you're gonna be like, holy shit, all my favorite streamers in one stream. I can, yeah, that's super nice. One day though. Modbus client. Wow, really cool. Alright guys, give me a second. I'm gonna switch to facecam. So much light. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna save this to my list of things to post, and that's not public because I don't wanna just give you guys the list of my social media posts, because then that it would be pointless to follow me on socials. But now you need to follow me to you don't need to, you must, but I mean, you know how it is. Like, follow me on socials. Thank you guys, appreciate your support. Always working towards the better tooling and better libraries for Rust. Terminal is the future, and the Rust is the way to build the future. So let's fucking get it. Alles Gute zum Geburtstag, dein Deutsch klingt gut, finde ich. Dankeschön, mein Bruder. Ich muss Deutsch lernen. Deutsch training. But yeah, when I have more vocabulary and more like phrases, I will speak to you more. But for now, I think that's it. That's it, guys. Oh, the template is failing for some reason. Open a new Ratatui templates. I don't know why it's failing. Oh, okay, simple. Okay, there you go. Okay, I want to actually disable the indexing and the LSP of Rust Rover when I open a new project, because that's what I was doing with Neovim, and that really helps in case you just want to explore the project and not really want to do development. You don't have to waste resources on the indexer and also the LSP stuff. So I want to probably integrate that into Rust Rover as well at some point. Do you have any other idea for the next embedded device if you're going to make it? Really, recently I thought that after the phones and digitalization, if you know how to make gadgets, you may do one. They are tactile and about experience physical world, so cool. I'm not sure, man. Like, I am just very slowly getting into creating embedded stuff, and I think right now if I would work on embedded, I would probably work on Tweetar project, which is a guitar, like smart guitar pedal, let's call it. So I would probably just do like music related stuff. So yeah, Terminal is the future and Rust is the way to get there. I will tattoo this on my back, so I agree. Nice. I'm happy to hear that actually. I will pin that message. I like that too. I don't know how I like, what the hell. I'm dropping lines today, man. I'm dropping lines today. I have a workflow that generates a mermaid plant UML text, recommended way to render in Ratty. Good question. Can you have like STL files or like object files from what you are rendering? Because it sounds like that's 2D, and 2D rendering is also already possible in terminals with image protocols. Ratty is for 3D stuff, and in case you have, like, if you have a 3D object file or a STL file, you could just easily render on Ratty by just using the the Ratty graphics protocol. So yeah, Rust is eating and will eat the whole world. Orhun working on ID before GTA 6. Oh man. Hell yeah. What the hell? What is going on? Rust of generate. Just fix the code, man. Yes, Alex got super fast after I rewrote from no shell to Rust. Absolutely. Make the change, brother. It has to be transformed. I want to use a native rendering Ratty as seed images. Transformed? What do you mean? I think it's possible. Like, what you just said is wait, what? Simple. I'm very confused. You didn't. So I'm thinking, and I'm not sure if the protocol supports something like it. The protocol only supports just spitting out an 3D object file as an object on the terminal, and that's it. But we could. Oh, Ratsula, check out. Oh, wait, I'm so confused. Oh, I'm so confused about this. So yeah, it should be possible. I should go to Ratsula instead. I don't know where my mind is, man. This window. Touch selected. I think I just want to push this to main, to be honest. Fix templates. What's the change here? Yeah, got it. I think that's possible. That's definitely possible. Adopt for the new Ratatouille release. Okay, screen's too small. Is your screen 16 by 10? I don't know. No idea. How can I check that? Probably not. Is it looking weird to you? Like, this is a new laptop, so not sure. But guys, I have another laptop. This is for work, but I have in Ubuntu running on it, and I've installed Niri. I don't know if there are like any. The video is cropped on the bottom. Oh, I see what you mean. It's from. Oh yeah, okay, got you. So let's fix that real quick. I can't fix it. Yeah, that's a good thing. Like I'm glad that you pointed that out. I'll figure something out for that next time. I wasn't aware of that. I could probably just resize my whole screen. But anyways, for now I think we're gonna go with just like this. But okay, so what I was saying, yeah, I installed Niri, and Niri is so good. Like, what the hell? Like, it's really nice. So yeah, people were saying that I should try out Niri, and I now understand like what they mean, and it's really nice. It's really nice. Guys, wait me a second. I will check my live stream on this tab. Yeah, I should probably a little bit more on this. Niri, I said. Ubuntu engineering, you could just maybe go with some new like Fedora or Archbeta. Yeah. Control F in OBS. Okay, what is oh. Okay. Nice. So you see everything now. But next time I will fix the yeah, fix everything. Not fix everything. I didn't mean that. I don't fix everything. Okay, we merge this thing now. Alright, cool. We fixed that one. Termina backend. I think this was in good shape. We could probably include it in the next release. I'm not sure what was required here. Dead code. Why do we have a dead code thing here? But anyways, what are we waiting for the Termina backend? It's literally the same as the other abstractions that we have for other backends. Okay, Termina. Okay, where's the workspace? It's workspace dependency. Where is it? Okay, in Termina 0.3.2. Okay, let's see the release. Termina. Actually, this is now 0.3. Is there like a proper changelog? Yeah, they have. Nice. I like proper changelog, guys. Like, I like changelogs. I like changelog. Improved public Rust docs. Nice. So maybe let's check out to that PR. Termina backend 2561. Okay, let me remove the branch. I think it's the Helix editor's terminal backend which replaced Crosster for them. Yeah, exactly. So let's go to files cargo toml and then termina. Latest 0.3033. Okay, so I will update that. Actually, can we use Juni here? Like, I want to spawn AI actions, generate code. How did I, what's the key binding? Control and, what did I do? Oop. IDE shortcut, please. So bump the dependency. What the hell happened? I have no idea. Okay, going back to codecs. I will experiment with that later. Bump termina to 0.3033. Cool. So we have a release PR for Ratzilla. We already did the release for Ratatui text area. So that's good. That's good. That's good. Okay. So we have some fixes. Wouldn't it be easier to change a single letter? Yeah, you're right. You're right. You're right. I'm just wasting my tokens here. You're absolutely right, and I am with you on that. Probably I shouldn't be that this lazy. Keep a large thumb within the track at the end. Closes this issue. I think this was from a regression in 30.1, right? Something like that, yeah. Sometimes render scroll bars with a thumb symbol in place of and symbol. Okay, so let's have a look. What did I change in? Okay, with this one. Oh, okay, this is bad. So the and symbol just disappeared. But which PR actually caused this problem? Okay, I mean, seems very straightforward. I didn't read all the things here, but I want to actually find out the cause for this. So yeah, okay, so we have updated termina, bump termina to 0.30. Okay, I'm gonna add this to the milestone as well. try out Neri. Will you finally use Helix properly for at least a week? Since you work at JetBrains now, you can finally convince them to develop a plugin like IdeaVim but for Helix. Interesting idea. Like IdeaVim but for Helix. Isn't there already some Vim compatibility thing for Helix, such as there was like evil Helix or something like that? No, why do you need an IdeaVim for Helix? Interesting. That made me think, man. That was deep. Looks good to me. I would say let's include this in 0. And let the users try this out. Anything looking on this one. Let the users try it out. There's Evil Helix and also a Steel plugin for Vim mode in Helix. I mean, Helix is like it's supposed to be not like Vim, and it's supposed to be another model editor that is like basically a different approach than Vim. So why do you need the Vim stuff in Helix? You know what I mean? Like if I'm gonna use Helix, I'm just gonna learn the Helix key bindings. Isn't that the whole point of using Helix? Am I missing something here? Like, I thought that people who use Helix, they use it because it has out of stock features. Not out of stock. What do you call? Like, it has stock features. Let's say not out of stock. Like the stock features such as the file Explorer thing, and like, you know, it just works when you install it. It has built-in themes, so less configuring than Vim, but also a very powerful text editor, and also a different approach to modal text editing. So I would just use that. You know what I mean? Yeah, out of the box is what I was trying to say there, but I couldn't. One second, guys. Okay, I'm gonna actually... Okay, later I'll do that. Idea Helix like IdeaVim, which works on all JetBrains IDEs. Oh, okay, I got you. Now it's clear. So you mean like a Helix plugin for IntelliJ? That's a pretty good... That would be nice. That would be nice. Have you ever had a cool mistake? Like today I exited on a wrong station, forked from Metro B line, got out of the futuristic light gray minimalistic industrial vibe station, admired the beauty while waiting. Cool mistake? Not really. But tell me the name of the station though. I'm now interested in that. I think the most not mistake, but like weird or like awkward situation that I had was I was in a kiosk and I was getting a drink, and I went to the I went to the cashier lady, and I was about to pay, and she said something in German, and I didn't understand anything, and I was like, I don't know German. And she said it again. Like, I don't know why this happens. Like, I clearly don't understand German. Why do you repeat it? You know what I mean? Like, I'm not gonna like magically learn German in 10 seconds and just understand what you're saying. But maybe she just thought that I didn't hear her or something. But I was clearly confused. Like, I was clearly, like, not German. Like, I was, yeah. You could tell. I was like, what did you say? Like, oh, I don't know, in German and so on. And she said it again. And then I was like, I don't know what you mean. And there was another guy in the store. So I looked to him and I said, hey, dude, like, what is she saying? And he didn't know any English, so we were just in the situation and I don't understand what she's saying. So she was like, okay, just wait. She went to the same, like, place, like the same fridge or whatever that I got the drink, and she got another one, and then she just gave it to me, and I was like, okay, and I paid, like, I paid and I just went out. So apparently this Red Bull no sugar had some it was on sale, so if you buy like 2 then you pay the same price or whatever. So she was just trying to, like, describe that to me. So yeah, but at the end she was just like, she just went to the fridge and got it for me, and she just gave it to me and I paid, and then I just went out. I was like, I had 2 Red Bulls now. Cool. I don't know. It was a bit weird, but it was fine. Like, if I had like some like intermediate German, I would definitely reply. But nah, I didn't understand anything. So how does this actually? I was gonna check the highlights for the release, so that I can get an idea of what just happened in scroll bar. Yeah, I think this one broke the whole thing. Okay, is it in the changelog maybe? Changelog. Thumb. Yeah, this one, I found it. Found it. Let's check. That was nice of her, worth the effort. Yeah, that was pretty good. Berlin ambulance. Did you hear the ambulance, or what happened? Yeah, it's a regression in here. Yeah, scroll bar. Some RS test stuff. Thanks for the fix. This seems like a regression in correct. Maybe it would be nice to even add some visual tests for this as well. See the RS test changes in the PR above. Okay, comment. And I'm gonna add this to the milestone as well. Adding this to the milestone. Yeah, this was already reported. Okay, this is a big one. Okay, good. We fixed the... This is the issue that I just commented on, I think. So right now, what we are doing is we're just waiting for these regressions to collect a bit, and then we will create a release that will fix most of them at the same time. So we are aware that there might be some bugs and stuff like that, but basically we're taking time to fix them at once and for all. Okay, so rendering background residue. There's some deep stuff happening here. Okay, we can have a look. I think I'm done with Ratzilla. Okay, this is a long one. Alright, yo, happy birthday, my man. Thank you, Roland. How are you doing, by the way? Long time no talk. Let's catch up on a call sometime, if you want. Would be nice to just catch up. Alright, guys, are you ready? We're just diving into a long one, so get your popcorn. I love that. Perfect. Let's catch up on Discord. We have a Discord server, by the way, in case you're watching right now and you're not part of it. You are welcome to join us. We have a Discord. So I just got distracted. This is the author of Yazi. Oh, holy shit! Are you serious? Are you the Yazi person? I think the author of Yazi is his name is Yazi. So Yazi, welcome. Or I don't know what your name is. Let's check. Misaki Mas. Are you this person? Welcome to the live stream. Oh wait. Oh, you mean this Okay, got you. I'm so stupid. My bad. Yeah, this person. Yeah. He's quite active in issues actually. I'm in France too, so that's gonna be easier. Oh, nice. Cool. Sorry, my bad, Luca. My brain is weird today. I'm so wasted from the club mate that I'm drinking. Not sponsored, I wish. Okay, so yeah, let's go. Specifically on the second frame render, the background color set for text in the first frame is not being cleared. So we got some text. Oh, is it for only the... I think I know what's going on already. This might be about the new Unicode with thing that we're doing. I did a git twice confirm the bug was introduced in here. Okay, let's see what this is. Add cell diff options. Oh yeah, the diffing does not check the background probably. Oh, it's because... Okay, I know. Wait. I think it's not this one, but there was another one that we did. We were basically not diffing the background or something like that. So let me just find that. I think not this one. Maybe this one, I don't know. I'm the author of Yazelix, which is Yazi, Zelish, Helix, and do have a Yazi fork, but I'm not the... Bro, you have... Why do you say that now? That's fucking cool. I mean, Yazelix is nice, man. I didn't try it yet, but that's fire. So yeah, it's good to have you on the live stream. Okay. Introduce new compare, usually up layout tests. I remember there was like this diff option that has yeah, anyways, I don't know. Okay, let's see. It seems the issue that is that the invalidated variable is missing was the removal intention. Okay, invalidated. It says invalidated by drawing replacing preceding multi-bit characters. Originally raised a report on this and note. If previous cell was wider than current, the background or modifiers change, then create updates for trailing cells. You can ignore the foreground, I think. Also, I'm not sure if conceptually this is the ideal way to solve this. Maybe I'm missing something. Okay, where's the patch? Create updates for uncovered cells. I think this looks alright. I think both can be reframed exactly as the bug report. Another edge case. Oh wow, we have broke everything. Wow, okay. This should reproduce it. Wow, another one with the emojis. Hey guys, pop in. A bit late, but I already appreciate the. I think the original regression should be fixed by. Wait, is there like a PR already? Yeah, this one, I think. Yazeli supports Ratty out of the box and uses rat config, which is in JSON C config UI combo with automatic migrations for. Wait, what? What are you saying? Rat config? I can open PR and Ratty for you to play around with rat config. Yes, please, man. That sounds good. I'm so intrigued by anything that starts with rat. So please do. Okay. When a white cell is from the previous buffer replaced by a short normal cell, the trailing cell does not get an update for its content, does not change, but the white cell has a background or style. Gotcha. Okay, update branch. Is this like commit by commit? Milestone. Let's fix that in the next release. Should be fixed by, and we could probably continue with the emoji to the issues in another PR. By the way, we will be releasing 0. ASAP after this, so that's this ASAP. Cool. Gotta go, let's catch up soon. Yes, sir. Search for Sant Agnes and BLM, choose the Wikipedia link for the station style. Oh yeah, the if you send a link, then it's probably not visible. YouTube chat does not allow links, but okay, I'll save it. I'll save it. Actually, give me a second. Let me get my phone. Let me get my phone. Okay. Hi all, hi, welcome to the live stream, and I actually wanna dive a bit deep into this one. We're gonna wait, what's the commit ID? It's in the buffer def rs. Okay, so let's go there. Which line is this? Why the hell there are like a lot of oh, buffer def, okay. There are a lot of error lines for some reason for def rs. Oh yeah, regression for multi-step scenario that produces hello artifacts. Yeah, I think it's fine. I'll probably get to this later. Life in Berlin is good. I don't know, man, like I didn't really have time to do much living, to be honest. I've been mostly doing like running around, trying to handle things and basically do the onboarding, like Germany onboarding. But yeah, we'll probably get to that at some point. Close this issue. Oh, this is an old one. This is a really old one. Probably we could include it in the next. No, not really. Not really. I love configuring directory entry sort order. Wait, what? What? Why is this related to Ratatouille? I'm a bit confused. There is no file explorer struct, or maybe I'm missing something. Did we add something like that? Nope. What? Maybe they meant to open this on Ratatouille Explorer crate. This doesn't really seem like it belongs here. Oh, I need to check. Yeah, I think so. They meant to open this at Ratatouille Explorer. I think you meant to open this issue on Ratatouille Explorer repo. I'm gonna close this one as well. Okay, scroll padding, I'm gonna get to that. Okay, maybe let's check the ratty stuff now. Also, like, I don't know what we can do, but we can also check like the new projects, like new Ratatouille projects and so on. So what do you guys want to do? Do you guys want to check out the Ratty maintenance or new Ratatouille projects? Which one do you prefer? Let's go with the majority of opinions here. The idea of rat config is you press a key binding or run a command and you get a vimmotions Ratatouille UI config for your terminal program. Get a vimmotions Ratatouille UI config. Interesting. I probably need to see that first. Couldn't really imagine it. Guys, vote for Ratty. Okay, we gotta vote for Ratty. What else? What do you guys think? Okay, let's go with Ratty then. So, let's switch to... Bro, I can't get motivated by myself when alone. I can't get fun when coding. Do you have any advices? Maybe you're not working on projects that are fun enough. Maybe change what you're working on. If you're working on like boring stuff, I mean, of course, probably Ratatouille, but also Ratty. Let's go Ratatouille, newer and change. Okay, cool. So, okay, so let's open up. What did I do? So we had some bug, but don't worry, I'll open PR for you readily so you can test it. Gotta go if I was hanging you. Thank you. I'm looking forward to what you're cooking. Looking forward to it. Wonky font scaling. Yeah, so this one was related to the fonts, and I think this was supposed to be fixed in the new like Parlay Ratatui version. But let's see. Okay, there's this PR. Render terminal texture with direct velo paths. Oh wow, this has some changes for sure. Direct render. Okay. So there is actually a rendering pipeline documentation in here that we can link to. So if you go to Ratty, goodbye. So if you go here, there's this rendering pipeline at the very bottom, and this is basically like a mental note for myself as well, because I always forget how the rendering works here. So first we render a buffer on CPU, and then we render that on GPU, and then we read that back into CPU, and then we copy to Bevy, and then Bevy renders that. So this thing is probably changed here, and I just need to probably update this rendering pipeline to get a better understanding of what is going on here. Can you also update the rendering pipeline? By the way, let me run this. Let me run this to see if it works. Okay, it's working. Grace will shut down. Why am I on this branch? Oh, I accidentally removed it. But yeah. Compiling Ratty. Documentation. Docs, I think it will help with understanding this PR better as well. Okay. Gonna keep working on it. Okay, cool. I'm gonna assign him to this issue. Yeah, the STL support is interesting one. I actually wanna check out to that branch and kind of explore it a little bit. Let's approve it. I don't even check the code, by the way. I just approved it, but anyways. Oh, it's from main branch. Okay, so STL. How do you load it? Which crate did you use? STL.io. So what is this doing? Anyone did any STL stuff in Rust, by the way? STL.io. STL input and output reading. Bevy STL, okay. That's actually looks kind of better, like because we also use like Bevy already. So how do we load? So maybe I can use the code search here because I never do that. So STLIO. Load STL meshes from path. Mesh. Bevy STL. Okay, it's actually using. Why not just use the Bevy STL here? Because it seems like it's already using Bevy STL. Why not just use Bevy STL here? Sleep is getting to me. I was hanging out with all of you. Happy birthday, gang. You get more wise and experienced than before, not just older. Admire and grinds, they accumulate to a bigger picture. Man, Eric, appreciate your existence in this live stream. It was really fun to have you, and have a nice night, man. Take care. We'll talk later. Bevy STL. In this implementation, it feels a bit off to link to a code. Yeah, just this, I think. Okay. We should also update the documentation, like, sorry, not the documentation, but the specification as well. Okay, what did I say in the readme actually? Looks good. Just had a question. Just had a question about which library to use here. I saw Bevy STL and thought that it might be used since we already have Bevy here. We already use Bevy. Additionally, I saw that we already depend on some code from it. Also, can you do the following updates? Update the protocol, RGB protocol spec based on this new support. Should be quick to do. Do you have a cool STL model that we can include in where was it? Models or something? Assets, objects. For demo purposes. Oop. Summit review. Let's go. Actually, I think I can test this out. So STL crab or something. Let's test this out. Oh wow, this looks like a holy shit. I like the description. Crap. Okay, how do I download this? View files. Oh no, I don't want to log in. Okay, free crab STL. I just wanna, oh wow. It's gonna be, I wanna have this thing as my cursor, whatever this is. Download. Oh my god, I just wanna download, man. Okay. Free STL. Hello, happy birthday. Thank you, Protox07. Appreciate that. Free 3D STL. Come on. So we're in the okay, to PRLS. Oh, I'm in the branch already, so I can run it. Okay, we just need to change this to something else. We just need a STL file. Wow, that's just a big dragon. STL. Yeah, let's have a tmug. Just download, please. Finally, you're downloading a STL file. Let's go to rat term, assets, objects. Okay, can I extract from the IDE? No. Okay, so assets, objects. Okay, what do we have on? What the hell happened? On rar x, this one. Okay, we have a tmug STL. Okay, finally. Tmug STL. Now we should have a tmug as our cursor. Didn't work. Very nice. I need to change the build settings probably. Edit the configuration. Commands. Run package bin rati config. Config rati tomo. Okay, run now. Config file. My bad. Config file. Run it. Okay, file failed to resolve cursor model. Unsupported object format. That didn't work. Happy birthday, my sweet prince. Salmons, you're putting me in a difficult position. My girlfriend was just watching the live stream. I don't know if she's still watching the live stream, but she might get jealous, man. I don't think she's still here though. I don't know. Happy birthday, Orhun. How are you doing? Thunder Kebab. Doing fine. Enjoying some club mate. And yeah, just chilling, man. Just chilling. I actually want to use the AI chat feature now. Why can't I use the STL file for my cursor? Is it only implemented as a part of the RGB protocol, not the cursor? That's my guess. Ferris, 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 you are. Wow, dude. Nah, let me like your comment. Ferris, appreciate the donation. Ain't no way we're calling Orhun Ankh. Ankh is pushing 40. Guys, thanks for congratulating my 40th birthday. I am an Ankh, not gonna lie. I am just, let's just call it what, call it what it is, okay? I'm an Ankh, not gonna lie. We're getting old. So yeah, you're spotted out exactly right. You clear modular is still loading, it still works fine. Okay. Yes, add that match arm. Okay, which function is that though? Load object source. Load object source. Did it already made the change or no? Okay, I want to actually include this in the code. How can I do that? Update the code base. Happy birthday, thank you. Just apply the change, come on. Man, time flies fast. Yesterday I was 39. Now I am 40. I wonder if I'm gonna watch this live stream in 15 years and be like, well, that was a joke, but now it's real. Let's see. Ping me in 15 years, guys. Why is it so slow? Let's just one entry such as I think it was some like this, but I'm not sure. Let me actually do a search here. Don't remember the exact syntax to instead of ignoring each target directory, start a review. Okay, so how can I include this? Like, I wanna this is just AI chat. Command do this. Okay, apply. Finally, this button appeared. Was it? Oh, like, oh my god, I'm scrolling a lot. Yeah, okay, apply. Rust rover, of course. Orhun is JetBrains corpo shield now. Gotta do what you gotta do, man. They gave me free club mates, okay? It was a perfect deal. Got the free club mate, 0 sugar, and then I was like, sure, I'm gonna shill your ID. Let's fucking go. It was a good deal, am I right? Another thing that I realized, the cursor, I could not use a STL file in place of the cursor. I think this implementation only supports placing STL objects via RGB protocol. Get that bread, cheese. Didn't know Rust rover existed. Nice. I'm doing my job right now. Shilling Rust rover. Okay, this is taking forever. Like, what the hell? Like, what the hell? Does it like offer free AI or what? It's basically an IDE for Rust, and it has some LSP features for specifically for Rust, and it can do many other things. What? Are we still applying something? I have no idea what's going on now. It's in beta, okay. Beta feedback, it doesn't work. Accept all, okay. Can I just... LSP like I saw a Rust analyzer. Yeah, it has its own LSP. Is it written in Rust? Good question. Good question. I don't know what the hell is going on. I don't know if you guys heard that. I don't know if you hear this, but something is going on street. Feels like Berlin. Okay, it didn't really do much for me. Support STL files as part of cursor rendering as well. It's pending. Why do I have a pending comment? Oh, we have some changes. I think this will work. We consider adding a 4D rendering to Red, showing thermal history over time, some form of solid shape. As the YouTube video by CG Matter. Video is 3D, not 2D. Okay, I can check that, but definitely sounds interesting. Salmons, can you create an issue about this, please? Can you please just create an issue and share links? Because otherwise I will probably forget, and right now yeah, I cannot check it. But if you could create an issue, that would be so amazing. Okay, so let's run this and see if we're gonna get the the tmug, or what was it? Tmug STL as our cursor. It should work. It should work. Everything is struggling right now. It's because of the heaviness of Ratty. Okay, guys, you're getting close to 2 hours, so I will just call it a day when we hit 2 hours. Here's the LSP better compared to rustlang as an example. Okay, what the hell happened? First of all, like, this is literally just a box. This is not a STL file. What the hell? There are so many like things like to consider, like if it's better. In some ways, yes. In some ways, maybe not. But you need to probably try it out and just see it for yourself. So I definitely recommend it. Also, I cannot answer that question because right now I'm in the process of trying it out as well. So yeah. So it didn't work. I just see some random rectangle instead of the actual STL file. Did I make a mistake by, I don't know, using a wrong name for the tmug STL? I mean, it's correct. I need to catch up with all of these stuff now. Maybe the tmug is actually just something like that. I don't know. Let's make a ratty mascot called Sichan. Oh man, that was a good one. My Turkish homies are really smart when it comes to jokes, man. I love that. I'm staying on Helix, open source Rust, and I'm in. Nice. Okay, at least I've left a comment here. Probably need to work on some other issues as well. Weird color support. Depot terminal, this is a good one. Okay, let's wait for this. And I think I'm done for today. Come on. Okay, just run cargo build. Come on. We are building. Did it work? Nope. Okay, I will get back to this later. Guys, thanks for watching to live stream. It's been fun. We're probably gonna do more later, but today I think I'm pretty exhausted, so going to leave it for now. And yeah, thanks for watching once again, and we're gonna see each other soon. Join the grind. We have a Discord, and keep grinding and keep building Ratatui stuff, everybody. Thank you guys. Thank you, Salmons. Thank you for existing in this journey, and happy to be 40 years old. Take care, everyone. I'm out. Oops, wrong screen. Okay, there you go. Goodbye. Also, I just love PHP, and PHP Storm is the best IDE ever. Not gonna lie, man.